again, sobrang thankful. Siyempre, nakakuha ulit kami ng panalo namin. And that's our goal before mag-start yung game. So, medyo shaky yung preparation. But ang good thing, yun nga, nakuha namin. And thank you, Straight Set. And again, sobrang proud sa team dahil alam ko yung hirap na lagi namin pinagdadaanan. And yeah, and good thing, may maganda rin. Sorry.
Thank you very much. Ibani got 20 points on 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 13 extra interceptions, and 4 digs. So this is a very important match for you, especially trying to make it to the qualifying round for a shot at semi-final. So what can you say that you played with a sense of urgency to pull up this straight set win?
Yeah, we know that no one is safe, even though we started the conference strong. We know that we're not safe because everyone has wins, everyone has losses, and now's not the time for us to relax. So every practice, we're really doing our best to stay aggressive and to keep improving from all our mistakes. And yeah.
Thank you, Ibani. Okay, the floor is open.
From Matapos noong Saturday. Siguro paano lang kayo nag-regroup and ano yung mga lessons na nakuha niyo from them?
Number one, yung paano muna mag-recover yung bawat isa. Kasi sobrang mabigat para sa amin yung pagkatalo na yun. But ang good thing kasi yung paano mag-bounce back yung mga players namin. And actually, inaaral talaga namin, especially sila, tinitingnan talaga nila yung mga adjustment na kailangan gawin. And ayun lang, sobrang happy kasi siyempre yun yung number one solution para dun sa maka-recover ulit kami dun sa namin, sa pagkatalo. And good thing, ang ganda nung naging performance. And again, ulitin ko lang, medyo marami pa kaming kailangan i-improve. And at pagtatrabahuhan pa namin yan. So, ayun lang muna ko.
Ay, sorry, please repeat.
Eh, paano lang kayo nag-regroup from them and ano yung mga lessons na nakita niyo?
Yeah, of course, we saw what we need to work on and also the mental toughness coming into the next games. And we also know that every team is studying us, so we need to find ways to play even better and also to make more adjustments as well to our game. And yeah, that's pretty much what we did.
Vani, you were coming from a top 5 set loss, and a while ago, Zuskofi fought until the end. Do you consider these games as test of character, or especially you guys are eyeing a deeper campaign?
Yes, of course. In the third set, I told the girls na Zeus Coffee is known as 5-set queens. They've made so many comebacks, so we can't let them get ahead because we know what they're capable of. So we really tried our best to stay composed and to stay aggressive.
Vani, in the past games, you're like the go-to hitter for Signal. How are you embracing that role, or you're not taking it so much that I'm the front of the offense?
I'm not really looking at it like I'm the front of the offense. I'm just doing everything I can do to help the team. So when I see that the team needs to make a point, I try to be as aggressive as I can be because I know that I prepare well naman, and yeah.
Vani, personally for you, what are your goals siguro for yourself na you want to achieve in this conference?
My goal for myself is to be able to help Signal win the championship. That's it.
Thank you! Ay.
Next game nyo, March 14 pa, mababang kayo na ano lang ang gagawin nyo.
Trabaho!
Trabaho pa rin. Well, siyempre, I think Capital One.
Yes.
So, knowing them, the way na pinapanood namin sila every game, very competitive. And, siyempre, hindi ka talaga pwedeng mag-relax, especially ngayon, going to next round na rin. So, yun, good thing siguro yung paano namin ma-manage yung recovery namin. And yung mga kailangan namin i-improve pa or ma-master namin, especially pagdating sa mga ganitong situation. So happy kanina, especially yung mga alanganin na set, magagawa namin ng paraan. So ako yung number one happy doon kasi yun yung isa sa ini-improve. So hopefully mas maging better pa kami.
Congratulations, Coach.
Yeah.
And enjoy